Hi, today AllToyCollector is going to review MiWorld's Dairy Queen playset. You can find this toy and all the other MiWorld toys at Walmart. You can also download a free MiWorld app. With this toy you can create your own shopping mall with an OPI, Sprinkles, Dairy Queen, Sweet Shop, and Claire's. I like this Dairy Queen playset because it was pretty easy to put together and it included 24 accessories. Okay, now let's look inside the box. Right here is the menu. You can order a burger, chicken strips, smoothies, a blizzard, a sundae, or an ice cream cone. Ironically, this playset did not come with any hamburgers or chicken strips, even though it is on the menu. But you can order a hot dog, which was included with this set, but that's not even on the menu board either. A MiWorld doll was not included in this playset, so I'm going to use my Playmobil man to help it make some food at Dairy Queen. You can grab orders from the back of the kitchen and make ice cream cones and smoothies. Here's Elsa making her daily run to Dairy Queen. It looks like she bought every single frozen item that was included in this playset. 2 ice cream cones, 2 sundaes, 2 blizzards, and a smoothie. Okay, let's make Elsa eat something non-frozen. So this playset included some french fries and a hot dog, and these ketchup and mustard bottles. So we'll add some ketchup and mustard to her fries and hot dog. Hey wait, nothing's coming out. Oh, come on! I rate this toy a 4 out of 5. I think that the walls are really cute and adorable. I think it came with a decent amount of food. I kind of wish it included more than just 1 hot dog and 1 french fry though. Likewise, this playset only included 1 chair, and I don't know who just wants to eat alone, but I think they should have included a second chair. Thanks for watching, and please click on the middle of the screen to watch my video where Elsa and Anna ride ATVs. Thank you!